check out a fun Easter egg hunt. Oh, they were doing that. The frozen Easter egg hunt. Four. Ah! Wolf dropped this. Ah, yum yum. Candy. I'm gonna go look for more. Oh! How could I have not noticed that? I got Olaf Easter egg! Yeah! Let's see what's inside. Oh, more candy! It's chocolate candy! Very excited. This is a frozen princess Easter egg. And I got it! Yay! It's chocolate. This is a toy. I wonder what's inside. It's a headless frozen prince. It's a frozen princess dress. Oh, I found the head. I got frozen finger puppets. This is Elsa. Elsa. I get this one. Oh, I found Anna! Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up. Woohoo! It's raining something.